Poco C40 is a moderate choice for your day-to-day ventures. It comes loaded with a decent camera setup, robust processor and attractive display layout, along with expandable internal storage. The smartphone is also packed with a massive 6000 mAh battery that promises seamless operations throughout the day. About display and camera, Poco C40 is incorporated with a 6.71 inches IPS LCD that also supports a multi-touch facility. The brand has provided a bezel-less display that offers amazing picture quality through its 720 by 1650 pixels resolution and 268 pixels per inch pixel density. Also, the screen-to-body ratio is 82.58%. In the optics department, Poco C40 is carrying a dual camera setup on its backside. It consists of a 13 megapixels f2.2 main camera and a 2 megapixels f2.4 depth camera. Users get to capture high-quality images with the help of features like digital zoom, face detection, HDR mode, LED flash and continuous shooting. Moreover, a 5 megapixels f2.2 camera on the front side helps with images. Know about configuration and battery. To power the Poco C40, the brand has placed an octa-core processor having a Cortex-A55 layout along with 3 GB RAM. For the graphics department, there is a Mali G57 GPU. Poco C40 bears a 6000 mAh Li polymer battery which cannot be removed. The particular is also compatible with an 18W fast charging system. Talking about storage and connectivity, the internal storage of the Poco C40 is 32 GB. The smartphone also offers the option of expansion by up to 1 TB. Connectivity-wise, 4G Volt is made available. It is also compatible with other connectivity features like Bluetooth V5.0, Wi-Fi, USB Type-C, mobile hotspot, AGPS with GLONASS.